conducted today. Shortly we will start the matches. I request all the team coaches to present on court number 1. All the team coaches, only team coaches, please present court number 1. I request all the team coaches to come.
थोड़ा म्यूजिक कम करो वैसा कोई वाली इंचार्ज म्यूजिक थोड़ा स्लो करो वेरी नाइस इंट्रोड्यूसिंग myself I've seen the world regular championship years UK Australia was going and training team and guys his father is my student such a wonderful Ravi he is providing Hindi or Telugu you go to language English हो हिंदी हो बहुत हो तो ये ऑलमोस्ट छोटा बच्चा था जब से हमारे साथ है एंड नाउ ये रीच वंडरफुल स्टेज अभी ये स्टेज पे हुआ पूरा इंटरनेशनल रेफरीज मास्टर रेफरीज को पूरा टेक्निकल सुनना है और मेरा विनती क्या है माई रिक्वेस्ट इज ये टूर्नामेंट सक्सेसफुल करना है आगे वो कितना कंट्री आया सब जगह पे प्रॉब्लम चल रही है निपट भी पाएंगे So anyway, but a lot of other teams are supposed to come, not going to reach. But anyway, 4-5 champions जो भी आए, we will work it out and see, try to coordinate with the organizing and Ravi especially. Because if you have any problem, my spelling mistake है, we will correct and give you. सदर मेरा ब्रॉन्ज आने वाला, गोल्ड आने वाला तो सिल्वर आ गया, कुछ भी ऐसा इशू है, we will amicably solve it. This is our tournament we can hope to understand. Don't fight for ऐसा नहीं कि कोई हेटेड नहीं होना चाहिए हो गया ना ये हेल्दी रिलेशन एंड वी आर रिक्वेस्ट यू कोऑर्डिनेट विद अस वी विल सी व्हाट एरर तो मार्क्स में डोंट पॉइंट आउट ये पॉइंट ज़्यादा ये पॉइंट अगर ऐसा कुछ है आर्बिट्री में बोलो कि हम देख के बाद वी विल वर्क इट आउट अदरवाइज डोंट वरी इधर मेडल्स आर देयर सर्टिफिकेट्स आर प्रॉपर्ली वेल मैनेज कलर में दे रहे हैं सो आपको कोई खाने का कोई प्रॉब्लम है हमको मालूम या देर मीना जी है अभी पूरा टीम है मेरे पास मैं भी लाया थोड़े जो कुल करने का हिसाब समझे ना और अपना अपना टीम जो सब जूनियर है पूरा सब जूनियर पी है पी में पूरा बिठा दो कहीं इधर उधर नहीं जाने का एक बार बुलाया 2 बार बुलाया निकाल दिया सर हमारा निकाल दिया सर होना बोल के निकाल ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है लेकिन आप थोड़ा कोऑर्डिनेट करो जो बच्चे का डोनेट से खाने को चले गया सर वैसा नहीं एडजस्ट कर लो अब वो स्टिक कर दिया होगा आपको पूरा कोई भी ऐसा कोई बुलाने नहीं आया तो उनके कि क्या करना है रवि में ठीक है समझ गया ना कोई अमिकबल है कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है आप देखो क्योंकि एक जॉइंटली मिलकर करना है तो सक्सेस होगा आगे कॉमनवेल्थ गेम खेलना है भाई कॉमनवेल्थ टाइटल चैंपियनशिप करना है यहीं स्टेडियम में प्लान कर रहा है मेरे को बेंगलुरु में करना है तो मैं ऑलरेडी ग्रैंड मास्टर से बात कर रहा हूँ तो इस साइड विल भी परमिशन होगा उसमें या 30-35 कंट्रीज आएगा तो वो थोड़ा अगले सब प्लान करें अगर ये छोटे टूर्नामेंट हो सकता है लेकिन आप थोड़ा कोऑर्डिनेट करके अगर इसको सक्सेस करें तो बहुत बढ़िया होगा बच्चों को बोलो कोई ना पेरेंट्स को बोलो आके चिल्लाना आना ऐसा कैसा ये रूड लैंग्वेज नहीं है देखो ये सब वो सब भूल जाएंगे देखो अभी कितना रेवन्यू डिमांड में कितना फेडरेशन है 4 फेडरेशन मैं कोरियन काउंसिल को इतना कन्विंस करा यार मैं नहीं आऊँगा बोले कोरियन एम्बेसडर आ रहा है अभी आ रहा है तो बोल रहे कि यू कोऑर्डिनेट करो आई विल डू इट वन इंटरनेशनल कोरियन कप कॉन्सर्ट कप बोल के बोला था वो भी कोऑर्डिनेट करना चाहते वो भी कॉमनवेल्थ ताइक्वांडो चैंपियनशिप को यू विल कोऑर्डिनेट विद अस तो अगर अपन पूरा अगर जमा करके अगर सही भी कट रहे तो सब कुछ अच्छा हो जाए ठीक है ना थैंक यू सो मच एंड रेफरीज में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है कोई ये अपना स्टूडेंट है उसको मार्क्स नहीं दिए वैसा ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है ब्रॉडमेंट है अगर ऐसा लग रहा तो आप बोलो सर ये है ये सर्टिफिकेट है ये मेडल है ये सर्टिफिकेट है ये रास्ता है आप वो कर सकते ऐसा करते अच्छा नहीं रहता आपको क्यों लड़के लेना है तो कुछ भी एक बार पॉइंट में इधर उधर हो सकता है अगर कुछ सुधर करना है रवि विल टेक ऑल द टेक्निकल को पूरा लगेगा आई विल सपोर्ट इट फॉर दैट समझे ना कोई भी चिलम चाड़ी कुछ ना होना चाहिए पेरेंट्स को बोलो कोचेस बोलो सब थोड़ा शांति से करना और सक्सेस होगा और जल्दी से जल्दी खत्म कर सकते नहीं तो फिर मालूम है ना हर एक टूर्नामेंट में अभी स्पॉन्सर क्या यार मालूम है मेरे से अंबानी से बात कर, टाटा से बात कर, बड़े बड़े कंपनियों से बात कर। अरे क्या टूर्नामेंट है, 2-3 बजे छोटे छोटे बच्चे कैसे टूर्नामेंट करते हैं आप लोग? आई डोंट लाइक इट। क्रिकेट देखो कितना डिसिप्लिन है, 4 घंटे में खत्म हो जाता, एक दिन का ही खत्म हो जाता। वी स्पेंड क्लोज ऑफ 100 crores 200 crores वी स्पेंड। क्यों आप हम नहीं ठीक नहीं है, ये नॉट गुड। अब थोड़ा वो लोगों को बताना है, थोड़ा मेरे लिए 1-2 साल दे दो, मैं बोलूँ ना तो लैक्स ऑफ रुपीज आ जाएगा। एक टूर्नामेंट को 150 लाख 60 लाख देने वाला है, अब कोई नहीं आने वाला है, ऑडियंस भी नहीं है। देखो क्यों नहीं है, यही बोला मेरे को, बड़े से बड़ी मैंने लीग प्लान करा था, इंटरनेशनल टैइक्वांडो चैंपियन लीग। उसके बारे में ऑल ओवर इंडिया बड़े बड़े कंपनीज 200 बिग कंपनीज और बिलियनर्स उनको मिला। बोले यही बोले कि कभी छोटे छोटे में लड़ लेते हैं आप, क्या फाइट अच्छा होना चाहिए। जैसे बॉक्सिंग होती है, प्रोफेशनल बॉक्सिंग माने हो ना, कौन जीत कौन पार्शल होता है, वो होते ही नहीं। क्यों पॉइंट दिखता है सबको, तो वैसा कुछ आप एस्टैब्लिश करो, इसको हेल्दी रिलेशन बनाओ, सबकी ऑडियंस भी आएगा, टिकट नहीं आएगा, समझ गया ना। तो ये करने से बहुत पड़ेगा। मैं बोल रहा हूँ ओलंपिक बन गया, सोचे ओलंपिक गेम है, लेकिन खाली बोलने तक ही बात, लेकिन अपन जो व्यवहार कर रहे हो वो ठीक नहीं। तो यही मेरे लिए थोड़ा भाई बोलते लो हेडक्वार्टर गया, वहाँ कई बार बोला प्रेसिडेंट, समझा ना। अरे मैंने गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, आप ही करो, मैं ये कर रहा वो कह रहे थे रिसेंटली गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बोले, मतलब पब्लिसिटी करना, पैसे कैसा आना स्पॉन्सर से, पूरे पैसे पूरे नहीं मानो, चेक कर रहा हूँ आप, गूगल सर्च करो कितने पैसे आ रहे हैं, स्पॉन्सर दे रहा है, बिलियंस ऑफ रुपीज, थाउजेंड्स ऑफ क्रोर्स किधर जा रहा है, क्रिकेट को, फुटबॉल को, ऐसे थोड़े गेम्स है, 5-6 गेम्स है, पूरा पैसे ले रहे, पूरा वर्ल्ड का पैसे। तो ये आप लोग थोड़ा कोऑर्डिनेट करो, अपन हेल्थी रिलेशन बनाएंगे और आगे चलते रहेंगे, बड़े बड़े टूर्नामेंट करेंगे और आप लोगों को मौका देंगे, बच्चों को भी मौका देंगे एक स्किल टेस्ट का, समझ गया ना। फिर इसके बाद आप भी खुशी रहेंगे, ठीक है ना। थैंक यू सो मच। एनी क्वेश्चन?
गलत देता है,
ओके,
और हम आपके पास आए तो आप प्लीज डायरेक्ट एक्शन लीजिए, या फिर कोई ऑप्शन नहीं हुआ तो उस बच्चे का अगर उधर सही नहीं होता किसी और बच्चे के साथ मैच लगाएगा।
ओके,
हमारा कुछ इससे लड़ाई करने का ऑप्शन नहीं है, लेकिन बच्चे इतने दूर आता है और रेफरी के डिसीजन से रॉन्ग होता है तो बुरा लगता है।
all the referee will not do that. In some cases it will happen.
चेंज कर दो बहुत, या फिर एडजस्ट कर दो।
Okay, we'll do that. Okay.
उसका ध्यान करेंगे, ध्यान लगाओ, कीप इन द माइंड।
Okay. Then
Any other questions?
Okay. So we'll give the ID cards and coupon. Just collect it now only. Okay. We'll start the match within 5-10 minutes. We'll start the matches. First, we'll start with these two courts will be sensor match for cadet. Then that 2 will be sub junior. Last 2 will be TV. Okay.
And see, sub-junior cadet है, all the cadets, boys and girls का, you try to gather one place, till but 1 घंटे का किधर नहीं होगा, और ग्रुप भी लगाकर बैठो। ये क्यों होता है, कंटिन्यू, ये लंच ब्रेक नहीं है इसमें, till 5 o'clock 6 o'clock तो कंटिन्यू चलेगा। गेस्ट आएगा, maybe एक 10-15 मिनट या हाफ एन आवर लेगा, वो एक मिनिस्टर आ रहे, 2 मिनिस्टर आ रहे और कॉन्सुलेट जनरल आ रहे कोरियन का, वो आएगा, वो 1 आधा घंटा 45 मिनट को आएगा, वो एक ही डे करेगा, लेकिन ये कंटिन्यू रहेगा। ये जो बैठेगा है ना, 100% वो आपके साथ देख लो, कोई चीज़ बुलाओ, सब जूनियर स्टार्ट करें या कैडेट स्टार्ट करते हैं, प्लीज ऑल कोचेस प्लीज गेट देम, कीप इट योर पीपल आर देयर और नॉट, क्योंकि कहते रहते इधर उधर जाते रहते, बुलाया नहीं आया, वो सब नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है ना।
अभी कितना बजे मैच?
अभी
10-15 मिनट्स में start.
सर मेरा टीम का अभी भी 8 नहीं क्या करें?
आप बुलाने का टाइम बोलिए सर, अभी बुलाता नहीं, वो टाइम में वो ऐड हो जाएगा।
पहले अगर भेज देते तो उसका तक चेक कर लेता ना सर।
अभी आइए सर। ओके, आपका आके आईडी कार्ड कलेक्शन।
कोई 10 देने ना को, एक कोच को ये अलाउड है, और एक ही कोच रहे तो ठीक रहेगा। और एक वैसा का है और एक हैदराबाद का, दोनों का जो इंडी लास्ट हुआ या कुछ मिस हुआ तो कर देंगे। रवि ऑलरेडी से अभी जैसे कैडेट बैठेंगे तो कैडेट आ जाएगा इमीडिएटली, रवि विल एड्रेस इट। रवि इज नॉट सिटिंग देयर, रवि विल बी सुपरवाइजिंग ऑल द मैचेस। इधर है, प्लीज कॉन्टैक्ट रवि और एडिशनल करना है, किसका अगर रेट का इधर उधर होगा एक बार रीचेक करिए, एंट्री कर दीजिए, कोई सॉफ्ट लगेगा यार, कोई भी नहीं। हमारे वैसा पैसा घंटे से देखो, इज वेरी वेरी हार्डफुल है एंड ही इज फाइटिंग फॉर द राइट, डेफिनेटली इग्नोर करेगा। ऐसा कोई नहीं है किधर मिस हुआ कैसा हुआ, नो वरी।
Okay, you can move it.
Provided at 1:30, but I request all of you please cooperate with us, organizers, that the lunch will be provided free for only the students, coaches and technical team, and else people have to take the token. Please cooperate with us because this is a very important and prestigious program. So I request all of you to cooperate with us. No, nothing should be happen problematic. So I request all of you, the parents. I welcome you all to the wonderful city of Hyderabad. I know very well across India, so many people came here. The wonderful pearl city of Hyderabad, the capital city of Telangana. You know, there are so many wonderful events have been happening in Hyderabad, the wonderful city, the city of Nizam, city of pearl city and happening city. And here, the blend of old city and new city, we are now witnessing the cyber city of Hyderabad, the wonderful city of Hyderabad. You can witness so wonderful culture over here. So many people across India live here harmoniously, and this is called Mini Bharat. There are so many cultures, so many languages, so many people, and we live happily here, all of us as Hyderabadis. So once again, I welcome you all to the wonderful city of Hyderabad. So whoever came across India from other parts of India, other states, other cities, and of course, few people came from abroad, I welcome you all to India. So within a few minutes, Sri Suresh Chukkapalli Garu, Honorable Consulate General, Republic of Korea, will grace this event. Upon his arrival, we are going to start this program. So we will be him as a guest, special guest of this event. Today and tomorrow, 2 days, we are going to organize this wonderful championship because the organizers wanted to encourage the young talent and they wanted to showcase, they wanted to provide one opportunity to the young talented people. Because of that, the organizers organizing this program and wonderful people are here to motivate you, to guide you, to encourage you. We know very well Taekwondo is a wonderful martial art. So not only that is your like defense, but also it is an art. It is an art too. So people who learn this art definitely will be very confident in their lives. They will learn a lot of skills. So I welcome you all. I request all the parents to be seated. So we have this wonderful stadium in Hyderabad, GMC Balayogi Gachibowli Stadium, located in Gachibowli. This is new city, cyber city of Hyderabad. So, and please, I request all of you, please be seated. There is enough place for everybody. And I request all the coaches and trainers, please maintain your team, organize your team to cooperate with us. Parents are not allowed in the premises. Please, I request all the parents to be seated. So I request all the trainers and coaches, please cooperate with us and organize your team. అందరూ టీమ్ మెంబర్స్ అందరూ కూడా కోఆపరేట్ చేయాలి. ఎవరైతే ఓన్లీ పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ మాత్రమే ఇక్కడ స్టేడియంలో ఉండాలి. మిగతా వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా వారి సీట్లో కూర్చోవచ్చు. చాలా వండర్ఫుల్ వ్యూ ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ నుంచి. I request all the bouncers, please don't allow the parents. I request all the bouncers, please take care of the parents, please. Ask them to be seated. Not in the ground, not in the stadium. So in the seats, there are plenty of seats over there. You can have a wonderful view from there. So please cooperate with us. This is a wonderful event. So Amicable Sports Academy, Miss Veena Kuturi Garu, MD of this Amicable Sports Academy, she is organizing this event, and Mr. Wajid Khan is assisting her, and Dr. Ravi Garu, Vifa Taekwondo India Bangalore, is also organizers of this program, and with association with Sri Jayant Reddy Garu, International Taekwondo Academy is 30 times Guinness World Record holder. Please put your hands together. We have the wonderful personality Sri Jayant Reddy Garu. Only if we having one Guinness record, that it will be very great. But he is having 30 world records in his kit. Thank you very much, sir. So many great personalities from across India are here. Dabajan Batra Garu, Lions Club of Kolkata, Crystal President, is here. Thank you. Sri Sudevi Mitra Garu, Lions Club of Kolkata. Thank you. Dr. Tahir Tambala Garu, Sports Association of India Director, AOT India Working Chairman, is here. So within very few minutes, Sri Suresh Chukapalli Garu, Honorable Consulate General, Republic of Korea, will be here. And during the event, Honorable Ministers, Government of Telangana, Sri Vakati Srihari Garu, Honorable Minister for Animal Husbandry and Fisheries, Sports and Youth Services, Government of Telangana, will be gracing the event. Sri Ponnam Prabhakar Garu, Honorable Minister for Transport and BC Welfare, Government Telangana, and Sri Shivasena Reddy Garu, Sports Authority of Telangana Chairman. These wonderful personalities will grace this event within a very short period. They are supposed to be here by 11 o'clock, but due to few government programs, they are not here, but definitely they will attend this program. They will bless, they will encourage all the young talents across India. So, thank you. I request all of you please be seated, and I request bouncers to ask the parents to be seated in the auditorium, not in the stadium. So, are you ready? All of you? Are you ready? We love Hyderabad. Do you love Hyderabad? We love Hyderabad. Do you love India? We love India. और जोर से बोलना पड़ेगा, और जोर से बोलना पड़ेगा, ताकत दिखाना चाहिए, बोलो। We love India. Okay, thank you. Right? So are you ready for the championship? Good. You must be busy with your academics, but still you choose to participate in this, right? Yeah. Academics are important and sports are also important. I work as a principal of a school. I used to work, I know, because apart from the academics, the sports are also very, very important. Okay, thank you very much for participating in this event. Thank you very much for coming to Hyderabad. We love Hyderabad. Thank you very much. Taekwondo, wonderful martial art, wonderful people are here to encourage you, to motivate you, to guide you. So in your life, you are going to achieve so many things. This is a wonderful moment for you in Hyderabad. This is happening. First Asian International Taekwondo Championship 2025. The costumes, please come down. Please come here, there. I request all the bouncers, please, should be here only. Every child should be here. हर एक बच्चा यहाँ रहना चाहिए. Please, I request all the bouncers, make sure that every child is sitting here. All the parents, because you choose to train your children in Taekwondo, because this is a wonderful martial art, so that will improve their so many skills. Many parents think that only academics are important, but that is not true. If you encourage your children in different activities, definitely they will be performing good academically too. But most of the parents only thinking of the academics, but you choose to encourage your children in martial arts too. That is a wonderful thing. Please put your hands together for your parents. Please put your hands together for your parents, because of your parents you are here. We are organizing this event. there are few cultural programs too. I request all the cultural programs teams to be here. I request the cultural performances. We are going to witness few cultural programs, cultural events. I request the cultural teams to be present here. The people remove this table. We are going to witness one performance from Srimati Sulekha team. So these children are going to perform on different songs from different countries and from different states of India. I request someone, please be here. Republic of Korea is gracing this event as honorable guest. I request Sri Suresh Chukkapalli Garu to come on the dais. I request Veena Sri Suresh Chukkapalli Garu, Honorable Consulate General, Republic of Korea. Thank you very much, sir. Please put your hands together for this wonderful person. Thank you very much, sir. Veena Garu, we'll welcome him with a bouquet. Wonderful flowers. Thank you, Sri Suresh Chukkapalli Garu, Honorable Consulate General, Republic of Korea.
Hey, Chadu. China.
Thank you very much. Sulekha ji, her disciples, performed on a song. Now we are going to witness one more song. I apologize for the inconvenience because this is the sports stadium, not a cultural stadium. That is the reason I apologize for the inconvenience, sir. Right? So we are going to witness one more performance from the children, and after that we are going to start the event. So the children will be performing. So within 5 minutes we are going to start the actual event. Please put your hands together once more for these artists.
कैटवॉक वाली बेबी है तेरी चाल बैकलेस सूट विच लगदी कमाल ओ किथे चली जांदी है ओ किथे चली जांदी है मैनू पुछना है कोई सवाल ओ दस ने कुवारियां किसे ने तुना तू दूर दूर जानी है जान कट जानी है एने मेरा करे तू करना सोनी है एने मेरा करे तू करना सोनी है दिल मेरा तेरे लिए धड़के नहीं आज फिर किथे चलनी है मोरनी बन के मोरनी बन के आज फिर किथे चलनी है मोरनी बन के सटी तो लेके सट गए सटी तो लेके सट गए घर दे बीच तेरी खटके नहीं आज फिर किथे चलनी है मोरनी बन के आज फिर किथे चलनी है मोरनी बन के
Thank you very much. Thank you for your wonderful performance. Sulekha, her disciples. Now we are going to kickstart the program. I request our honorable guest, Sri Suresh Chukkapalli Garu, to witness the competition. The championship is going to happen right now. I request Veena Garu to accompany him and Sri Jayant Reddy Garu, because so many children are waiting, eagerly waiting for this. So we are already late. Across India, around 800 students are participating in this event. First Asian International Taekwondo Championship 2025 is happening in Hyderabad, Gachibowli JMC Balayogi Stadium. Students, the matches will happen. Students are performing in front of our guest. So years of practice they are showcasing right now. This is originated in Korea. Taekwondo is a wonderful martial art. Across India, from so many states, the students are participating in this event. Taekwondo is a wonderful martial art. Across India, from so many states, the students are participating in this event. Championship 2025. Our organizers will felicitate our honorable guest, Sri Suresh Chukkapalli Garu. Thank you very much, sir, for gracing the event. Thank you for accepting the invitation from the organizers and gracing this event. First Asian International Taekwondo Championship 2025 is happening in Hyderabad, Gachibowli Stadium. 800 participants across India are participating in this event. I welcome all you to Hyderabad. You are eagerly waiting for the championship. So this is the first day. So we have few formalities and definitely the honorable ministers of Government of Telangana will grace this event. They will witness few performances from you and they will bless you. So I request our organizers to felicitate our Suresh Garu, honorable guest. Senior Taekwondo Master will speak a few words about this event.
So good morning all the Taekwondo players and coaches and my founder of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana my Grandmaster Mr. Jayant Reddy Garu and my Taekwondo senior masters Manoj Pereira and all the Taekwondo senior masters and junior masters and Taekwondo players in this tournament they are participating. So a heartful congratulations to Mr. Vaifar Ravi to this good organization and so many tournaments they are conducting and this manpower also they have very nice and so many tournaments they are conducting in Bangalore and I hope this tournament successfully to my expectation and I am also senior most master in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. I am founder of Nizamabad district. I was teaching since 1983 till 2025, 16,250 students. So including police people and Jawahar Navodaya, Kendriya Vidyalaya and different schools and colleges. I am heartfully congratulations to Mr. Vaifar Ravi.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much. Yes. I request our organizers to felicitate our honorable guest, Sri Suresh Chukkapalli Garu, for his valuable presence here, accepting our invitation to grace this event and spending his valuable time with us and speaking a few words about this event. Sri Suresh Chukkapalli Garu, Honorable Consulate General of Republic of Korea. So the organizers are presenting a memento to him. So thank you sir. Once again, I would like to thank our guest, Sri Suresh Chukkapalli Garu, for being here, being with us, spending his valuable time. Please put hands together, please. Thank you. The matches will be going on for 2 days.
I don't know.
high range world record 5th edition book is being released by our guest, honorable guest Sri Suresh Chikkapalli garu. High range world record. Famous personalities of India have been given this award. Virat Kohli, PV Sindhu, Sania Mirza, Ravindra Jadeja, Nikat Zareen, Kidambi Srikanth, APJ Abdul Kalam, the great APJ Abdul Kalam, Yesudas garu, and M. Jayant Reddy garu also. So many people are recipients of this high range world record. From Suman garu, high range records, world records. Thank you very much. Now we will continue the program, the event championship.
All the officials, please come on. All the officials, come fast. We'll start the matches. First, we'll start with.
Thanks again, everybody.
Come front. All the officials, please come forward. Official Bonish, then Madhu. Make a line first. Take court in charge. Come here, one. Neighbor, Baba. Stand here. Stand here. Prabhas ready. Prabhas. Madhu.
सर थोड़ा साइड में आइए प्लीज।
Lona Vival. Thank you, Sri Sanaditi garu.
SW Taekwondo Academy.
I request, please stop, please, for 2 minutes. I request. Where is the announcer? Where is the mic, please, for 2 minutes. 2 minutes, please. Sports Authority of Telangana Chairperson, Sri Shivasena Reddy garu. is here upon our request and invitation for a 2 minutes break. Check.
Just 1, 2. Hello, hello, hello. Check.
First Asian.
Hello, 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 hello. Check.
Championship 2025 is being organized in Hyderabad, Gachibowli Stadium.
SV Taekwondo Academy coach.
I request please, hello, for a 2 minute break.
Hello.
Sri Shivsena Reddy Garu, Honorable Chairman of Sports Authority of Telangana is here upon our request. I request him to speak a few words about this event. The lamp is very, very important. With the lighting of the lamp, we start every program. So I request all the guests here to participate in lighting of the lamp. Jyoti Prakasham, lighting of the lamp program. Jyoti Prakasham. So we believe that the light is God. The light is everything. The light is symbol of knowledge, courage and everything. So by lighting of the lamp, we are going to start this program officially. Sri Shivsena Reddy Garu, the chairperson of Sports Authority of Telangana, is lighting of the lamp and officially inaugurating this program. First Asian International Taekwondo Championship 2025 is being held in Hyderabad, Gachibowli Stadium, 13th and 14th, today and tomorrow. Organizers and everybody who was present, thank you. Thank you.
Respected all the organizers. First of all, I congratulate Ms. Veena Vahini Garu, my sister, for organizing such a tremendous program in India, Hyderabad today. I guess it's been 8+ countries have been participating in this 2025 Asian International Championship. So I warm welcome you all for our India. So our special guest today, our Sports Authority Chairman, Sri Shivsena Reddy Garu. So, and I also very glad to inform you all that it's been 465 CR was been allocated by the state government of Telangana by CM Revanth Reddy Garu, and we are proud to announce that. And moreover, here Ms. Veena Vahini Garu is doing such a tremendous thing while taking out a capability, taking out the hidden talent in the students. So, ఇక్కడ విచ్చేసినటువంటి ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి మరి నేను నా హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారాలు తెలియజేస్తా ఉన్నాను. ప్రతి ఒక్కరిలో ఉన్నటువంటి హిడెన్ టాలెంట్ని వాళ్ళు గుర్తించి మరి ఇక్కడ ఏషియన్ ఛాంపియన్షిప్ అని చెప్పేసి 2025 మరి వీళ్ళు మొట్టమొదటిసారిగా ఇంత గ్రాండ్గా వీళ్ళు ఆర్గనైజ్ చేయడము, మరి ఇంత గ్రాండ్గా సక్సెస్ కూడా అవ్వడము చాలా సంతోషకరం. రానున్న రోజుల్లో ఖచ్చితంగా ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ ఈ యొక్క ఛాంపియన్షిప్ అనేది బ్రహ్మాండంగా జరగాలని చెప్పేసి కూడా తెలియజేస్తూ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Thank you very much. And now I request Sports Authority of Telangana Chairperson, Gauravanilu Sri Shivsena Reddy Garu, to speak a few words about this event. And this event is being organized wonderfully across India. So many people are participating here. So I request Sri Shivsena Reddy Garu to speak a few words about this event.
First Asian International Taekwondo Championship 2025 కార్యక్రమాన్ని ఏర్పాటు చేసినటువంటి ఆర్గనైజర్స్, పటూరి గారికి, ఎండి అన్కేబుల్ స్పోర్ట్స్ అకాడమీ వారికి, మిస్టర్ వాజిద్ ఖాన్ గారికి, డాక్టర్ రవి గారికి, జయంత్ రెడ్డి గారికి, ఇంటర్నేషనల్ తైక్వాండో అకాడమీ, వీరందరికీ పెద్ద ఎత్తున ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని ఏర్పాటు చేసినందుకు ప్రత్యేక ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తా ఉన్నాం. ఇటువంటి కార్యక్రమాలు తెలంగాణలో ఏ విధంగా ఏ డిసిప్లిన్లో చేసినా కానీ స్పోర్ట్స్ అథారిటీ ఆఫ్ తెలంగాణ మీకు అన్ని సౌకర్యాలు అన్ని ఫెసిలిటీస్ కల్పించడానికి మేము సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నామని కూడా మీ అందరికీ తెలియజేస్తాము. తెలంగాణను భారతదేశంలోనే తెలంగాణ స్పోర్ట్స్కు ఒక హబ్గా తయారు చేయాలన్న ఆలోచనతో ముఖ్యమంత్రి రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారు ముందుకు వెళ్తా ఉన్నారు. అందులో భాగంగానే వాకిటి శ్రీహరి గారు స్పోర్ట్స్ అథారిటీ మినిస్టర్, స్పోర్ట్స్ మినిస్టర్ గారు దానికి అనువుగా అన్ని కార్యక్రమాల్లో కూడా ఏదైనా స్పోర్ట్స్కి సంబంధించిన అవసరం ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఒక కొత్త గేమ్ని ఏర్పాటు చేద్దాం, ఇక్కడ నేషనల్స్ గేమ్స్ కానీ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ గేమ్స్ కానీ తెలంగాణలో